He was elected by the citizens of the City of Dickson, but now a former city judge says he was let go because he didn't want to make his court a, quote, cash court. News Channel 5's Kyle Horan talked with Judge J. Reese Hawley's lawyer, who says this was personal.
Requesting Tennessee General Assembly pass a private act abolishing the current Dickson Municipal Court.
Alan Poindexter is waiting for a response to a lawsuit he filed against the City of Dickson in late June.
And they subverted the will of the people. I mean, he was duly elected.
He says when the city abolished their own court, ending J. Reese Hawley's 8-year term as judge less than halfway through, they did something that was unconstitutional.
It's our position, every action they've taken is void or voidable because they're not properly constituted. And they released Reese Hawley, they terminated him. And they can't terminate someone that's constitutionally elected for an 8-year term, which he was.
Here's how it happened. In 2017, the City of Dickson passed a measure to abolish the court. They sent it to the state legislature, where it was passed. Judge Hawley was out of a job
as a constitutionally protected judicial officer, and they totally ignored that and eliminated his position.
According to the lawsuit, the city then reestablished the court and appointed a new judge.
Your number one contact with a police officer is going to be a speeding ticket, and that's the court you're going to go to.
The lawsuit claims all of this started back in 2014, when city officials tried to convince Judge Hawley to increase revenues from court costs.
You had an elected judge, and they've been able, through their actions, to replace him.
When he didn't, the relationship broke down.
Why else would they get rid of him? And
it's a money issue.
It's a money issue. And they didn't want him to be the new city judge. And why not? I mean, Reese Hawley has a sterling reputation in Dickson County. He does.
Poindexter says there's nothing wrong with the city wanting to change the court, but doing it in the middle of the term was not proper.
And frankly, I would dare say if the legislature was aware exactly what Dickson had done here, they might have had a bit of a different opinion, because the private act that they passed said nothing about creating a new municipal court. That was not presented to the legislature, just the elimination of the old municipal court.
Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.
The City of Dickson has not yet responded to the lawsuit. We reached out to the city attorney for comment, but have not yet heard back.